Want a clean private email address without downloading another app? If you have an iPhone, iPad, or Mac, Apple actually gives you a free iCloud email account, but the setup is a little hidden in your settings. Today I'm going to walk you through exactly how to set it up in under 2 minutes, plus stick around till the end because I'm going to show you a hidden iCloud Plus feature that lets you create a completely custom domain, like contact@yourname.com. Alright, let's dive right in. Grab your iPhone and open up your settings app. Tap in a name at the very top of the screen. Next, look about halfway down and tap on iCloud. Under Save to iCloud, tap on See All. Now tap the third option down, iCloud Mail. Here's where the magic happens. If you've never done this before, an on-screen prompt will walk you through picking your brand new @iCloud.com email address. Just type in what you want, hit confirm, and you're locked in. Once it's turned on, you can tap on addresses right here on the same screen. This is a great spot to know about because you can actually add aliases, basically extra email addresses that forward to your main inbox. Perfect for signing up for newsletters you don't fully trust. Now that email is created, we need to make sure you can actually read your messages. Let's go back all the way out to your main settings page. Scroll the way down and tap on Apps. Find and tap on Mail. Tap on iCloud at the very top. Just make sure your new email address toggle is turned on. Now whenever you open the default Apple Mail app on your phone, you'll be able to send and receive emails from a new iCloud account. Now for those of you who stuck around, here's a pro tip I promise. If you want to look super professional with a custom email address, let's head back to the main iCloud settings page. Scroll down to the iCloud Plus features section. Of course, you need to get an iCloud Plus subscription in order to do this, and you can tap custom email. This is an awesome feature that lets you actually buy a domain or use one you already own and route it directly through your Apple. It will walk you step by step through setting up an email like hello@knowmytech.com. It's a total game changer for small businesses or freelancers. I hope this video helped you save some time today. If it did, do me a massive favor and hit that like button down below and subscribe for more nonsense tech tutorials. If you get stuck on any of these steps, just drop a comment and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.